You've spent your whole life working hard, but have you ever stopped to think if the money you have today will be enough for a peaceful retirement? What if there was a way to guarantee extra income without having to rely solely on Social Security or your current job? Today, I'm going to show you 7 passive income sources that can sustain your retirement and provide more financial security. Some of these strategies already help millions of people live worry-free. If you want to stop worrying about money in the future, avoid depending on others, and achieve a comfortable life, watch until the end. I'll reveal accessible options for different profiles and investment levels, from low-capital passive income to strategies that accelerate your financial freedom. No matter your age, it's never too late to start. The reality is tough. Most people can't retire securely. Inflation erodes purchasing power. Social Security faces constant deficits. And with increasing life expectancy, many end up running out of money before the end of their lives. To avoid this scenario, it's essential to diversify income sources and build a continuous cash flow into your account. The good news is you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Small steps, taken the right way, can produce surprising results over the years. The first passive income source that can sustain your retirement is dividends from stocks. This is one of the favorite strategies of big investors because it allows you to make money without selling your assets. Solid companies distribute part of their profits to shareholders periodically, and with a well-constructed portfolio, it's possible to build a growing income over time. Imagine receiving automatic deposits in your account every month simply by owning a few stocks. To do this, it's essential to choose companies with consistent history of paying dividends, such as large banks, utility companies, and consumer goods companies. Moreover, reinvesting the dividends to buy more shares can accelerate the growth of your wealth. The second strategy is real estate investment trusts, REITs. This option is great for those who want to invest in real estate, but without the headache of managing a physical property. REITs work like investor condos that buy and manage large properties, such as shopping malls, office buildings, and logistics warehouses. The big advantage is that these funds distribute their earnings monthly and, unlike traditional rentals, these earnings are exempt from income tax. Additionally, you can get started with a small amount of money. The key is choosing funds with good management, well-located properties, and long-term rental contracts. Now, for those who still believe in good old brick-and-mortar investment, the third passive income source is property rentals. This is one of the most traditional ways to generate extra income and can be extremely profitable if planned correctly. The real estate market has always been one of the pillars of wealth building throughout history. However, to ensure consistent income, you must choose properties with high rental demand, good locations, and a solid return on investment. In addition to traditional rentals, there is also the option of seasonal rentals, such as on Airbnb, which can generate much higher earnings throughout the year. If you don't want to invest money but have expertise in a particular field, the fourth strategy could be perfect for you: royalties from books, courses, and digital products. The digital world has revolutionized the way people make money. Today, anyone can create an online course, write an ebook, or even develop a digital product that generates recurring sales without requiring a huge initial investment. The idea here is simple. You create an asset once and keep receiving income from it for years to come. There are people who live solely off the royalties generated from content they produced years ago. The fifth source of passive income is passive management franchises. Many people think that franchises require full-time dedication, but some models allow for nearly automatic operation. Some networks offer full management support, from hiring employees to running the business, allowing franchisees to receive a share of the profits without needing to be present daily. This model can be a great alternative for those who want to diversify their investments without getting involved in day-to-day management. The sixth way to ensure a more peaceful retirement is through fixed income investments and government bonds. Many people overlook this type of investment because they think the returns are too low. But the truth is that with the right strategies, you can generate a reliable and predictable cash flow. Certificates of deposit CDs, real estate investment letters LCIs, and treasury bonds offer options that allow you to receive interest payments without touching principal. The Treasury IPCA Plus, for example, adjusts its yield according to inflation, ensuring that your purchasing power is not eroded over time. The seventh passive income source is automatic businesses and commercial partnerships. Today, It's possible to create income streams that work on autopilot. Online businesses, affiliate programs, dropshipping, and even monetized YouTube channels are examples of digital assets that can generate income without constant presence. When well-structured, a digital business can keep bringing in money while you travel, relax, or enjoy time with your family. The eighth strategy is private pension funds. Although many people neglect this investment, it can be an excellent complement to retirement. Well-chosen pension funds allow flexible contributions, tax benefits, and professional management of invested capital, ensuring steady growth of assets over time. The ninth way to ensure a safe retirement is through international company stocks. Diversifying investments globally can protect assets from local crises and allow growth based on more developed markets. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google, for example, have solid histories of appreciation and dividend distribution. The 10th strategy is renting out advertising spaces. If you have a property in a busy area or even a car that drives a lot around town, you can generate extra income by renting advertising spaces. Many companies pay well for visibility in strategic locations. The 11th strategy is investment clubs and smart consortiums. Many people come together in groups to invest collectively in large projects, such as land, real estate, or startups. This allows for higher returns with lower individual risk. Finally, the 12th way to build passive income is by creating monetized content. Blogs, YouTube channel, and podcasts are examples of platforms that can generate ongoing revenue through ads, partnerships, and affiliate programs. Now that you know these 12 ways to build solid passive income for your retirement, my recommendation is to choose one and take the first step. Diversifying your income is essential for a peaceful retirement. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel now and activate the notifications. See you in the next video.